Hello and welcome to Blackcroft Close in Swinton. Showing you around this superb newly built 2-bedroom apartment on the ground floor. It's actually a really good size, a lot bigger than what you'd normally get in apartment blocks. So let's take a look around. I'm going to start off here in the shower room, which is all compatible for anybody with a disability as well, which is great. The landlords have really sort of thought these through quite well. Give you a little view from this angle here, so plenty of space just here. We start off here in the first bedroom, and this bedroom is really big and long. It's a great apartment, it really is. There's a bit more storage here. So if you decide to put a little rail there, you could use it as a wardrobe possibly. But as you can see, it's really done to a good standard. So moving swiftly, we'll go and start off in the second bedroom. Again, a really good sized double. Huge space here. Now it also comes with communal parking. This is the kitchen area here. Really stylish kitchens have been fitted into these properties. Plenty of dining space here as well, should you wish to put a little dining table just there. And then we'll walk into the main lounge. Really good size. It's got some nice French doors there as well, which open up into the communal sort of gardens just there as well, which will be nice to share in the summer. But as you can see, a fantastic size apartment. So please give us a call if this property is of interest to you on 0161 747 9379. Thanks for watching.